Welcome to Machu Picchu mountain. It's kind of tradition to wake up very early if you want to be one of the first ones to enter to Machu Picchu in Inkayni city, and people are lining up at 𝗟𝗏𝗪𝗡 town since 5. Machu Picchu mountain trekking is a challenge. The Inca trail that takes you all the way up to the top of Machu Picchu mountain is amazing. It was built with stones and many steps. On the wet season, this trekking could be slippery and it makes more challenge. Around Machu Picchu Inkayni city we have many mountains. If we compare with 𝗍𝗏𝗪𝗡 or 𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗃, Machu Picchu mountain is wide and the whole trail was paved with flat stones, and that's where the ancient people built also many steps. As you are ascending up to the top of Machu Picchu mountain, the view is so amazing. Every corner is a nice viewpoint for pictures and it becomes more impressive. On the way up to the top of Machu Picchu mountain there are many doorways, what we call in the Andes the sacred doorways. There are 3 of them that you have to pass through, this representing our sacred Andean theology before you get to the top of this beautiful mountain, and there is a beautiful temple at the top. The highest peak around Machu Picchu Inkayni city obviously is Machu Picchu mountain. That's why when you get to the top it's like you reach to the top of the world. When you get to the top of Machu Picchu mountain you have to be lucky because it depends the weather. If the weather is nice and clear, so the view is so spectacular. Once you get to the top, it's just halfway of the trail, because the other halfway is the way back, but it's more easier. If you want to climb up Machu Picchu mountain, the way up is 1 hour and 30 minutes and the way back is 1 hour. The altitude of Machu Picchu mountain is 3,082 meters above sea level, and talking about in feet is 10,000 feet. From the base to the top is 650 meters, and talking about in feet is 2,139 feet. And there is a limit of people who can climb up this mountain, just 400 people per day, and you have to buy your tickets in advance before you get to Cusco City.